Today's sponsor of the show is 3printpart.com. You can find all your 3D needs at their site. They're always adding more products and filament to their site. What's up, guys? It's Cody of 3D printing technology. For this video, we're going to be going over a new development in 3D printing technology. It's not really a new printer per se. It's more of a new technology from being able to 3D print and experiment with different stuff. So there was a new study that came out about a 3D printed vaccine patch. This was done in partnership with UNC College System, the CRIP 3D printer, and a few other scientists and some studies. But basically what this is it's a small pat 3D printed rectangle of tiny needles on it. And it's about the size of a band-aid, maybe a little bit smaller than that. Or it appears to be the size of a band-aid. And it appears to be similar to a resin 3D printer type finish. But what this does is it allows the vaccine to be distributed through tiny needles on the rectangle, and appears to be more effective than traditional vaccines. So we'll go over a bit more in depth about what this is, how it came about, and its progress, and what images and videos and stuff like that we got available to discuss. But this video is going to be sort of a rundown with all the terminology that we can't use on YouTube, dealing with the pandemic and all that type of stuff. So we're going to try to get by with this using vaccine. Hopefully that doesn't limit our video reach on this. If it does, you can always find us on the Rumble. They appear to be more free speech friendly, if you will, to what you can and can't post. But anyways, let's get into this. All the sources will be available in the description under the video. So if you want to check them out on your own, you can. So this source is from UNC Chapel Hill. This is where the majority of the information has come from so far. It's called a 3D printed vaccine patch offers vaccination without a shot. So the main selling point from the article is researchers from Carolina and Stanford University have developed a microneedle vaccine patch that outperforms needle jab to boost immunity. And this article is dated September 23rd, 2021. And you can see a picture here of the vaccine patch on someone's fingertip. So like I said, it does appear to look like a resin tap print. Not sure if that's exactly what they used. And it is quite small. So it'd be interesting to see how it gets implemented onto a person's skin. It says it can be customized to develop various patches for different diseases, flu, measles, hepatitis, or even the latest pandemic. So this article is implying that the patch offers greater protection than a typical vaccine. So there's a study that's being conducted or has been conducted in animals, and it's been published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. There's a screenshot and the link for that being in the description as well. So the results appear to show that the immune response from the vaccine patch is 10 times greater than a vaccine delivered into an arm muscle with a regular vaccine. It's considered a breakthrough technology. So it says the macroneedles on the patch are 3D printed, and the patch is made of polymer. And the needles are very long enough to reach the skin to deliver the vaccine. So the hopes of this project, according to Joseph M. Desmond, who is a professor at, I believe, both of the colleges that I mentioned, Stanford and UNC Chapel Hill at some point. And he also has developed a 3D printing technology, which I'll explain a little bit right now. So here's a DuckDuckGo search of Clip 3 printer. It kind of gives you an idea of what it is. It's kind of similar to a resin 3 printing system. He hopes these set the foundation for even more rapid global development of vaccines at lower doses in a pain and anxiety-free manner. So if this does work, it's going to innovate the way vaccines are distributed. It should be a more effective way and pain-free way to deliver vaccines. So some more of the results from the study. The vaccine patch generated a significant T-cell and antigen specific antibody response that was 50 times greater than a subcutaneous injection delivered under the skin. I won't get into all the medical terminology stuff, trying to keep it simple for 3D printing topics. So with the traditional vaccines, most of them, if not all of them, are required to be kept in a freezer or colder temperature environment until it's ready to be used on the participant. But with this new technology, it appears that you don't need the cold storage or maybe even trained professionals to administrate it. So like I mentioned before, Joseph De Simon, he was one of the lead scientists on this project, and he's also an entrepreneur that helped invent a new type of printing technology using a CLIP prototype 3D printer, and is produced by Carbon, a Silicon Valley company he co-founded. So can this technology be used with the latest pandemic? It's to be determined, but they're working on future testing and innovations with this patch to hopefully be able to use it. So that pretty much sums up this article on the vaccine patch. So we shared this article for you today so you can see some of the technology being developed from 3D printing. So to wrap this up, we decided to share some news-related technology breakthroughs that is largely in part due to 3D printing of this vaccine patch. Other breakthroughs are like 3D printing food, prosthetics, 3D printing houses, 3D printing environments, different types of stuff like that. It just shows you how far the technology has come since the 80s and Chuck Ho and 3D Systems and all that stuff. And for the current progress of this vaccine patch, I still believe it has some testing left to do, and it's probably quite a bit away from a global distribution of the technology. So to wrap this up, I hope you find the video interesting and educational. So anyways, if you like this video and see the latest videos first, make sure you click subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.